Welcome to our guide on enabling IAM-based access to S3 on AWS. We'll walk through the essential steps to secure and manage S3 access efficiently. First, we ensure secure access using IAM. Next, we define roles and policies to control permissions. Then we attach IAM roles to EC2 instances for easy access. Finally, we enforce the least privilege principle to keep things secure. So let's jump in. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before we dive in, let's get familiar with IAM and S3. IAM allows us to control user access within AWS, ensuring security and efficiency. Amazon S3, on the other hand, provides scalable storage. IAM roles act as permission managers, letting us grant access without needing long-term credentials. Stick around, securing S3 access isn't as tricky as it sounds. IAM roles let us manage access without relying on passwords or access keys. Sounds cool, right? Policies define what actions a role can take. Instead of manually granting permissions, we use roles for automated, secure access. However, it's crucial to follow best practices when defining policies to prevent security mishaps. No one wants an accidental, everyone can access everything policy. Time to roll up our sleeves and create an IAM role for S3 access. Head over to the IAM section in the AWS console. First, define trust relationships. This specifies which services can assume the role. Next, attach policies that grant the needed permissions. Finally, link the role to a service like EC2. Congratulations, you've just created a secure IAM role. Authenticating IAM users for S3 is like having VIP access. Only the right people get in. We use IAM policies to grant fine-tuned access, ensuring users see only what they should. MFA adds an extra lock because why make life easy for hackers? Role-based control keeps permissions organized, while temporary credentials provide a secure way to access resources when needed. Simple, safe, and no security nightmares. Ever had that access denied moment? Yeah, it's frustrating. First, check IAM policies. Sometimes it's just a missing permission. Next, bucket policies and ACLs could be the sneaky culprits. AWS IAM Access Analyzer is your best friend in spotting overpermissive access. In CloudTrail logs, they are the detectives, catching every access attempt and failure. Troubleshooting may feel like playing detective, but hey, solving mysteries is fun. Monitoring IAM role usage is like watching security camera footage. You see who comes in, what they do, and catch any suspicious behavior. CloudTrail logs every access, while alerts flag odd activity before things go wrong. AWS Config keeps compliance in check, ensuring policies are followed. And if you want some deep detective work, Athena makes log analysis super easy. Stay alert, stay secure. Security best practices aren't just guidelines, they're survival tips. Least privilege means less is more when it comes to access. Regular credential rotation keeps risks low. Think of it as changing your passwords often. AWS organizations helps keep access centralized, making management easier. And of course, logging and monitoring ensure that nothing sneaky goes unnoticed. Better safe than hacked. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.